Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am back with a plan with me in my A5 Traveler's Notebook, in which my nails are matching. But anyway, I do want to go ahead and give a shout out to one of my new subscribers, and that is Kathleen McSellis. Thank you for subscribing and watching my channel and dropping me a comment to let me know what you think. And if this is your first time, make sure you drop me a purple heart in the comments box. You never know, you might get a shout out on my next video. And speaking of videos, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video. So now let's go ahead and get into this week's plan with me for the week of July the 15th through the 21st. So this week I am using a mini kit from MARIPOSA Studios, and this is the book mini kit. And I am a PR girl for her shop, so if you check down in the description box, it will be a link along with my description code, and you can get a discount. So I really like the colors in this. This was kind of like my jam when I started planning back in 2018. Yes, 2018 is when I actually started, well, not planning, but doing the whole cutesy sticker planning stuff. So I'm loving this. She gives you 4 full box stickers. Then you have your, I call this your essentials, which are your today and to do, and you get 6 of each, along with some icon script stickers, and then you have some icon stickers here. Then you have your quarter boxes and your half boxes, and then as well as your date covers and checklist stickers. Now this kit is perfect for the insert that I'm using this month, and I'm starting to kind of figure out what kits work best for me based on the insert that I use, and I'll get a little bit more in depth into that once I start planning. And then some other accent pieces that I more than likely will be adding are these rose gold foil headers from Planning City. These came in a full kit that I got from Scribble Prints Co., and these are some bow headers, and these are just some bow and like confetti washi. And then I have these rose gold date dots from Scribble Bloom, and I wanted to use washi, and I had this washi and I was about to destash it, and I realized it would go perfectly with the color palettes. So let's go ahead and get to planning for this week. All right, so I've already done the tedious part, which is laying the date covers along with the date dots. So I didn't want to bore you with that. So now we're going to go into laying these stickers. So I always like to take this note section and make it more of a to-do, just because that's for like random to-dos. And I could have actually used a next week sticker, because all of those items on that side will be more so reminders of things that I need to do next week. And that's kind of like part of my pre-planning process. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm using this Simply Gilded washi, y'all. I promise you I was gonna give this washi away. I just get the washi because I love the bows, but you know, something told me, and I knew it was the Holy Spirit. That's why you gotta listen and be in tune with it. It said to keep it, and I kept it, and it came in handy for such a time as this. So I know you really can't see what I'm doing because I'm out of frame, but this rose gold line, it laid perfectly with that black line at the bottom of these boxes. So I didn't even have to use any white out, and I know Shay Budgets would be so happy because if y'all didn't know, she is the whiteout police. So I want to definitely make sure that I am not fined for using too much whiteout. So I got the clip at the top just because when I pulled it out, the acetate and the vellum was still attached, and I didn't feel like going through all of that. So I just used the binder clip to keep the pages from moving around as much. So now what I'm going to do is to stagger out my deco stickers. I know some people like to use the deco stickers all across, but I like to try to, you know, just kind of spread them out. Just because I don't want to get boring, and I don't want to, you know, always plan or do my stickers like everybody else. I definitely look to other planner babes, new and old, and even my peers that are been in the game equally as long as I have. I look at everyone for inspiration. So all that I do is not because I'm all that great at it. I'm just a very visual person, and I think because I'm a hairstylist, that's just natural. We just visually look and catch on. So now I am laying these super shiny rose gold foil headers, and these came from Planning City. And again, I know most of you are used to me saying I PR for her, but my term is over because if you're not familiar with PR teams, a lot of times they do have terms, not unless you're just either that good, or I don't know, or you just have some type of relationship with that shop owner and they just want you to stay on. And I do have a couple of shops that I have long-term terms. That was a lot. Long-term terms with them, and I like that because too, you know, it gives other people an opportunity to show their creativity instead of always using the same people. But I'm still going to be buying her stickers because they are super cute. So what I'm doing now is just adding these rose gold bow stickers that came from Scribble Prints Co. And they are super cute, and I whited out that line just so you couldn't see it there. So now I'm just going through and laying these to-do stickers at the bottom. And I got this little trick from one of the planner girls I was watching. Put a little bit of the undo in the black part and then screw the top back on so it won't get so messy. And then just take the black part and slide underneath. I know a lot of people's beef with undo is that it's messy, and it can be, especially if you leave the top off because it just keeps dripping out and dripping out. So just drip out just enough, screw the top back on, put it on the sticker and slide it right off, and the stickers go right back. And drying time is not really that long. As you can see, even though I've sped the video up, still by the time I've laid all of my to-do header stickers, in which I'm about to do now, that section was dry enough for me to go ahead and reapply the to-do sticker and keep this party started. So this week I did do this part a little different. Normally I kind of do today to do, today to do, today to do. But I decided to make the whole top part today, and then just the bottom to do, because at the end of the day, I don't want to be boring. I don't want to do everything exactly the same. I want to keep y'all guessing. So here I go, adding that to-do sticker right back at the bottom. And you want to just be careful because it is going to still be a little kind of oily. So just wipe it off so you won't have any smudging. So now I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this little empty space between the date cover and the today section. And I decided to use the Simply Gilded 5mm rose gold with the stars. I know it has a name to it, but it came with a kit that I had. So definitely I am trying to be more intentional and use everything. This no buy July has really challenged me to, well, I wouldn't even really say challenge me. It's just made me really look and see what I had, because I'm telling you, I just buy the things because I love the things, not because I need them. Then on another side of that coin, because I am a content creator, it is important for me to have some of the newer things so you guys can see what's out there. And while I'm running my mouth, all I'm doing is just adding these check box stickers. And I'm gonna be laying these for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and ramble for a little. But I know it's so much controversy with, you know, people saying, oh, you don't gotta buy everything, you don't gotta buy everything. And you don't. You can just shop your stash, and that's fine. But for us that are committing ourselves to provide videos and content to you all so you can see what's out there, that's a part of our job. I mean, these are jobs, especially once we get monetized, we're getting paid to do this. So it is now our job to make sure that we are also buying items that we think that our subscribers should use, whether you're a makeup artist, a hairstylist, a planner. If you're one of those people that like to do those food reviews, you got to spend the money to get the things. So just because you're content creators that you follow are buying all the things, don't feel pressured to buy all the things. Just buy what you like and what you need, and sometimes buy a little bit of what you want. So that's my little Dear Abby quote or little passage for you today. I don't know what I'm saying, but anyway, so now I'm just adding some box stickers. I'm doing the half boxes and the quarter boxes because with this mini kit, it gives you just enough stickers. Now, I had mentioned earlier about why I chose to use a mini kit for this spread, for this layout. It's because this is a 2-page weekly, so you really don't have to have a lot of area to cover. And I know previous months I've been using a 4-page weekly insert, and with that you will normally need a lot more stickers a lot more stickers if you don't want a lot of white space. And I was trying to use this sticker, but it just wasn't meant to be, so I'll save it with my sticker stash. So yeah, so when you're ordering your kits, my tip is figure out what type of layout you're using them in, because if you don't want to be wasteful and have a lot of stickers left over, you might want to consider, okay, I only have 2 pages, it's a smaller planner, I can work a mini kit out. If you have more of a classic size, Erin Condren, or just something bigger, then you will probably need a full kit. So those are some tips in regards to picking out your kits that you order from these different shops. So now what I'm doing, because you know I don't like a boring spread, adding these adorable bows from the planning accessory. I'm telling y'all, if y'all have not checked out her shop yet, what rock have you been hiding in? What hole are you too far in that you have not went to her shop yet? Because when I say, baby, these stickers are like butter. She has amazing customer service, and she is probably one of the most humblest shop owners that I know. Mind you, I said one of, so don't go out here saying that I'm saying no, ain't nobody else humble, okay? Because I don't do drama. But yeah, go check her shop out. And if you are doing No by July, you know, just put some things in your cart so you know what you're going to go ahead and get when August comes in. But I definitely recommend that you check her shop out. So now what I'm doing is trying to find some more I was trying to say more foil. Some more foil stickers to kind of lay throughout the spread, because if you see, I have these 2 white boxes that don't have much going on other than half box and a quarter box. So I decided to use these rose gold scallop headers, also from the planning, well, not the, but from Planning City. I'm pulling those out now, and I'm going to use this gold, no, not gold, rose gold foiled happiness sticker that's also from Planning City. And then on the other box that I'm going to use a rose gold script sticker that says hustle, and that comes from Planner Aesthetic, in which I do PR for her shop. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this spread out. I will be adding a cute girl sticker on Sunday because I'll be stepping out with my man. So, you know, got to put a little sticker right there. So keep watching and I'll be back with the wrap up. I had to come back because I forgot to tell you that I'm using this super cute flat iron sticker from Grumpy Bear, and it's just to indicate that I'm getting my hair done. Yes, I know I'm a hairstylist, but sometimes I do spend my coins to let someone else do my hair, and I'm actually going to get braids, so I'm kind of stoked about that. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this cute Golden Plans Co. girl sticker, and I'll be back. All right, love, so this is my spread. I love it. Oh my gosh. See, sometimes taking a week off from being in a particular planner helps. I'm a firm believer, if you're not feeling it, don't force it, because if you force it, you'll end up just putting together something that you're not really pleased with. And whether you're a content creator or just I sit at my desk in my bed planner, on the floor planner, you don't want to force yourself to go in and decorate or even just write out the plans, especially if you have multiple planners like most of us planner babes do. So never feel bad if you don't go in your planner. As long as you have your plans in at least one planner, then you're doing good. So this is it. This is it. Like, I'm hyped for real. Like, this kit and these colors are giving me all the life in the world. And even though they're like some of this rose gold and like this darker color may be a little fallish, but it's really not at the end of the day. Oh my gosh, like legit, I'm stoked. I ain't even gonna talk no more. So if you like this, you already know what to do. Give me a big old thumbs up, and as well drop me a comment below if you have any questions or if you just want to leave a comment. And I will leave the names to the shops in the description box as well. And if you check out further down in the description box, you will see the discount code for MARIPOSA Studios, along with all of the other shops that I have discount and referral codes for. And again, we're at the end, but if you haven't already done so, make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. And if this video has inspired you, you have to do me a huge favor and pay it forward and share this with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plans. So until next time, loves, peace. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.